everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and this is one of the products which I make and sell. And mainly, why I am bringing this as a YouTube video is because many people had asked me that Pinky ji, we want negativity to go from our house and a lot of positivity to come. And the other reason why I was actually bringing in this video is because this is also, as I was talking in my previous life, that one of the main core things for the witching art workshop is black magic removal, which I am teaching in that. And this is one more thing which I teach in that, how to make this powder and how to bring in positivity in our lives and how to repel the negative energies, or they say that people talk and that attacks us, and people's nazar and all that happens, and it's just the mouth, when they talk it affects us very badly. So for all that to get removed, this is one of the powders which we make with some of the very rarest ingredients. But these rarest ingredients are easily available in any of the puja shops which you go and pick it up. At least here down south it's easily available. As I said, this time I am more into bringing in our cultures which is being spoken in Vedas, and how in those days people used to protect their kith and kin, and how they used to attract a lot of abundance in life. So this powder, it's a combination of few powders, and I cannot share the recipe, I'm sorry. If you want to know the recipe, then you will have to obviously join the workshop. So this is one of the herb which will be inside. So I usually tell them to put this one herb first, and a half a teaspoon of this powder. Okay, and what they will do is they will add rose water in this. This is purest rose water which you get in the market easily. So say for example, now if this is the spray bottle size I'm making and keeping, so I'll have to obviously put one full bottle. And usually what I do is, apart from this, because this is called as Arakaj here down south, Arakaj, I think it's Arakaj only. You can Google it, what is Arakaj in Hindi, you will come to know. So I just take a small bit of it. Usually this is kept for me to use it for my Kuber Bhagwan, because the smell is amazing and I know he loves the smell of it. So I actually keep it for him. Actually, that's another tip that you people are getting from me. And then I mix it. Now when I'm mixing it, I'm just mixing it in a round form, and I'm intending that whatever is negativity or things that are not good for me, it just goes away from my life, and I attract only positivity. Only positivity flows in my house. There's only positive vibes and all that. And actually the smell of this is amazing. What I tell my students is the right timing to make this. That is the main concept of that workshop, and what all the ingredients in. But what you all can do is, you can those who are not attending the workshop and who are buying this powder, you can make this on Fridays, keep it under the foot of Goddess Lakshmi ji, and then pick up some spray bottles like this, put it in this, keep it in the fridge, and every day in the morning or in the afternoon, whenever you're free, just spray it in all the rooms. And believe me, in 1 week you will feel a lot of difference happening, and you'll feel a lot of positivity entering the house and energies breaking, because this smell has the smell which attracts, in those days, which was used to attract the energies of the gods and goddesses inside our houses. So if a god and goddesses is coming inside the house, then it is obvious that it is going to be a beautiful energy, and it's going to repel any negativity and bring in only positivity. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and if you put a lot of comments, believe me, I will bring in more and more such concepts with Indian herbs which is easily available in the market, and where you all can just enjoy making these beautiful things at home, and also learning. Yes, this one you have to learn through the workshop, but I am bringing in a lot of concepts where you can make it at home, and I will also be teaching them. For that, you'll have to like it, share it, and subscribe the channel, so that the more comments I get, the more I get encouraged basically to bring in a lot of things. Thank you all, and happy watching.